Hello, dear subscribers, dear friends, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to edit information on Facebook page on iPhone. Write me if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. Go to Facebook on an iPhone or iPhone. Open the menu. Next, we need to switch from the main profile to the page. Again, opening the menu. Open your page. Scroll down and find the About tab. Here we scroll down and click Edit Public Details. Here we scroll down a little bit, and we can change bio, change category, address, phone number, email, and so on. We can click on Bio. Click either Remove or Edit Bio, and change to some other name, and then click Save. We can also click Edit then Details, and here we can change the residential address, phone number, email, and so on. After that, don't forget to click Save. If you like this video and you have managed to do so, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments below. I will be sure to read and answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.